Right now on the screen, I am sharing the content from your prescribed Humanities Year 7 Semester 1 syllabus. When we look at the history section, we find there are about 15 learning objectives in total. These 15 learning objectives can be roughly grouped into three main areas. Each one is marked in a different color to make it easier to follow. The first area is about how we study history. I have highlighted its learning objectives in blue color. The second focuses on ancient Australia and its outcomes are shown in black. The third area, which I have marked in green, is all about ancient Rome. Now let's talk about your textbook. It is the one published by Oxford University Press and has been prepared according to the Year 7 Victorian curriculum. If we look through its contents and compare them with the learning outcomes that we just discussed from the syllabus, we can clearly see that these outcomes are covered across four distinct chapters. The name of these chapters are Chapter 6, The History Toolkit, Chapter 7, Introduction to the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Peoples and Cultures, Chapter 8, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Peoples and Cultures in Ancient Australia, Chapter 12, Ancient Rome. Now let's take a closer look at the content of each of these four chapters one by one. We will begin with Chapter 6 and explore what it covers. Chapter 6 has been divided into 12 subtopics. Let's move and look into the content of Chapter 7. Chapter 7 contains 5 subtopics. Similarly, Chapter 8 is divided into 9 subtopics. The last chapter 12 contains 15 subtopics. So there are altogether 36 topics which we need to discuss to complete this syllabus. Now let's have a look at your upcoming examination syllabus. Your upcoming examination syllabus mentions two topics. First is History of Ancient Australia and the second is History of Ancient Rome. These two topics cover three chapters of your textbook: Chapter 7, Chapter 8, and Chapter 12. So, in order to prepare for your upcoming examination, we need to discuss some 24 subtopics